All right, Ron started out right this time. He did remember that he's got to distribute. He did his 2 times 2. He did his 2 times 10. He didn't even lose his negative this time when he brought down his answer, but Ron didn't realize that the number he was distributing with was really a -2. All right, so like we said before, you know you have to distribute the number attached to the parentheses. You know this -4x we're going to deal with later, so bring it down so we don't lose it. If you like, you can do your keep, change right here. Any subtraction problem, remember, can be changed to addition as long as you change this number to its opposite. This might help you remember that, yes, -2 times 2x is -4x. -2 times 10 is really -20. So you'll see that's where the mistake was on Ron's work. He put a +20 here. It should be a negative. So we still have our -116. And when we look at the problem at this point, this is supposed to be a minus sign 4x and another -4x. So if those get combined, that makes -8x's. Ron did have that, but again, his 20 is supposed to be negative. So when you go to solve at this point, remember that you're doing opposites to get that out of there. And let's see, -116 plus +20 is -96. And then we have to get rid of that -8. Now remember, it's attached to the x by multiplying, so we have to divide. Biggest mistake students make at this point is not dividing by the -8, they just divide by +8. Okay? The only way this is going to cancel out is a number divided by itself. So that's why you have to make sure you divide by -8. And I believe 96 divided by 8, or -96 divided by -8 is +12. So for Ron to get that question right, he has to remember that that 2 is negative, and when he multiplies across, that negative has to go with him to get the problem done correctly. So